Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Snapchat messages without opening them. So to do that, let's head over to Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to UTM section right here. And as you can see, I have received several messages. So if I don't want to just open the messages and make them know that I have seen the messages, what I need to do is just to keep keep a finger on their Bitmoji of the conversation and swipe to the right. It will be half swipe. So as you can see, they have sent me a message, and if I just swipe it again, as you can see, the bold of the new snap and chat right written in here is not gone. So there is no opened um uh, message in here, so it means they cannot see that I have already seen their messages. But as you know, we have seen the messages. So if I do it for another one, so as you can see, it can be done for each and everyone. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.